ZANU-PF youths disrupt advocate Job Scala's book launch in Masvingo. The book launch of advocate Jacob Scala at the Charles Austin Theatre in Masvingo was violently disrupted by ZANU-PF youths members on 11 July 2025. Sanapana mashoko sezvamurungu zvinzwira panapa muchiona kuti koitika chaos panapa muchiona aiwa maZANU-PF youths ouya panguva inoi vachidisrupta zvese vachiti aiwa manyepo amurukuya panguva ino muchilonja. Sanapana masvika mudanyipo panapa kwa subscribe or like otombe bell like kuti ipina muna mudanyipo muchinzi. The book titled Footprints in the Chains, the life story of Job Scala was authored by Munyaradzi Angelo Savano and features a foreword by former Botswana President ENK Eskama. The event, which showcased 531 pages of Scala's life story, was interrupted while award-winning journalist at Masvingo Mirror director Mr. Matthew Takaona was speaking as a guest of honor during his address. He detailed Advocate Scala's suffering at the hands of ZANU-PF, noting that the Scala had spent over 500 days in prison and had been arrested nearly 70 times, only to be found not guilty in all cases. He recounted the torture and suffering Scala endured from ZANU-PF and security agents. Suddenly, a group of ZANU-PF youths charged towards the podium, leaving Mr. Takaona shocked and traumatized by the violence. One youth turned up Mr. Takaona's speech, while another violently removed the podium and held it at Dr. Takaona Joe, the president of the Progressive Teachers Union of Zimbabwe (PTUZ), injuring him in the process. Additionally, ZANU-PF youth seized all the Advocate Scala's book for sale, throwing some of the audience and tearing other part. In the midst of the chaos, Advocate Scala took the podium to call for calm and peace, but his appeals fell on deaf ears. As the violence escalated, he made the difficult decision to cancel the book launch, prioritizing the safety of the attendees, which included women, men, and youths. Tomasvika kubuda panguva ine chonekwa aiwa ma-youths ezano odisrupta the book launch ya-Advocate Job Scala. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.